In this lesson, we will learn how to sign in ChatGPT for the first time. So you can go to any web browser, okay, and type the following website to access the free version. We will open this website and sign in for the first time. Let's see. Okay, let us open a new tab. Here and I'll type chat.openai.com and press enter. Now this is the ChatGPT. For the free version itself, directly click on sign up. This is the place where you will be typing your prompts, the messages. But first click sign up so that you can save your chat history, share chats and get your personalized experience. I clicked sign up. Now you can create your account or you can directly continue with Google, Microsoft or Apple account. So what I'll do, I'll continue with Google account. Okay, so I'll click here and it will directly choose my Gmail account and login. Continue. Okay, now we have our account here. This is the free version. If you want to upgrade your plan, click here. This will include GPT-4, DAL-E also. DAL-E is a generative AI model to work on images, to generate images. Okay. So this is the free version. Some prompts are visible. So guys, in this way, we can easily log in to ChatGPT for the first time. It is owned by OpenAI. In the next lesson, we will see what is a prompt and how we can type our first prompt. Thank you for watching the video.